Welcome to this Alan Talks Tech presentation on modulation and QAM Basics. But we can add more information to the carrier by not only changing the phase, but by changing the amplitude as well. So by changing the phase of the carrier by 90 degrees and by changing the amplitude, we can have a 4-bit symbol, giving us 16 QAM or 16 different permutations. So here, for example, we're transmitting the symbol 0, change the amplitude, and we can transmit the symbol for 0001. Change the phase by 90 degrees and we get a new symbol, 0010, and so on. So by simply changing the phase and by changing the amplitude, we can have 16 different symbols. This is clearly shown here on this 16 QAM constellation diagram. So here you can see the constellation diagram, and I've indicated a slight blurriness around each one of the points, because in reality this is what's going to happen, especially in areas of poor signal strength. With 802.11ac it's possible to have up to 256 QAM, but for 256 QAM to operate you do need an extremely clean signal. The weaker the signal, the less well-defined the points are going to become, or the less well-defined the symbols are going to appear within the constellation. But here, for example, with a 25% amplitude and a phase shift of 225 degrees, we have the symbol of 1100. Change the amplitude, make it 75%, change the phase shift to 135 degrees, and we end up with a new symbol for 1001, and so on. So by changing the amplitude, changing the phase, we generate new symbols. But again, remember, for 256 QAM you're going to need a very nice clean signal. So thank you very much for watching this Alan Talks Tech presentation on modulation and QAM Basics. Hope you enjoyed it. Once again, thank you for viewing.